There's rainbows in my heart today. No matter what your boyfriend says, they care about us lovingly. Their template, though, is what they see. We're doing everything we can, and they know it, and so the plan, it makes things better than they had been before. Oh, I have this voice for something more. My wisdom, oh, I'm always bored with anything that you can be. Oh, I'm burdened by infinity. This radiator's overheat, and all of us, we will be sweet, sweet meat. Oh, we could eat it up. I'm telling you, it'll never, ever be enough. Oh, I got songs for days. My music as the radio plays. I feel my eyes are sinking down. My soul, it finds its way somehow. This way that I was taught to sing. My darkness, it is everything. Oh, maybe you can show the thing that I was supposed to do. I don't know what my voice is anymore. I don't know what my voice is. I just keep on doing what I've heard before. All of these weird kids and characters that find a voice through this here frame. I have no choice. I've got to let it out. I've got to let it in. Oh, why waste time, my darling, on your sin? I said we'll wait. There's something more. There's something now. There is a tune. Just let it out. And when the moon, it has a spout, it has a way, it has a sound.